Today I'm doing a simple DIY project on my very old dresser. Since I don't want to buy a new one, I decided to just make a simple facelift or makeover. I removed all the knobs, all the drawers, and brought them outside. I left the main base in the bedroom because it's so heavy and I could not lift it. As you can see, I was struggling. It's so beautiful out there, that's why I decided to just do this project in the backyard. And this project, it's so simple and very easy. And the cost is just less than $13. Just for the paint and a foam roller. That's all I needed. Can't wait for the finished product. Let's get started. I'm sanding all the drawers to get a smooth texture before painting and get a good result after the painting. As you can see, I'm not wearing a mask. I was supposed to. If you decide to do this kind of project, please don't do what I did. Wear a mask. One of the drawers is broken, so I decided to glue them together. Just that simple. Hey, I'm on a tight budget, remember? Painting time! I used light silver, but at the store, they call it evening shadow. What a fancy name, huh? Did you notice I'm back inside? It became cloudy. I'm afraid it was gonna rain, but guess what? It did not rain after all. Anyways, back to painting. You can tell it's so smooth, the look of it, because it was being sanded. While drying all the drawers, I'm painting all the knobs with black color. I'm using the old knobs. Maybe later in the future, I could just get a new one. Easy fix. And then let it dry. And then I go back to my painting of the drawers for the second coat. This is my last coat. Now it's time for the rest of the dresser to give my TLC. I use the same procedure, sanding it, clean it, and paint it. I use the same foam roller, and for the edges of the dresser, I use a flat foam. By the way, the paint is a water base and it doesn't have a smell. That's why I was not wearing a mask that time. But when you're sanding the wood, you have to have a mask on. Right now I'm putting or screwing back all the knobs since they are all dry, both the drawers and the knobs. I painted the rest of the knobs with the same color of the drawer, the light silver. Brought them back in the bedroom. As you can see, I was struggling, but I survived. And I did some retouch here. Repainted some of the missing spots. There you go. Right now, I'm putting a liner in each drawer. And honestly, I'm always struggling doing or using contact paper every single time. Just like what I did to one of our bathroom sink. As you can see, I was really having a hard time. Anyway, I managed. after 5 hours. Just kidding. 1 hour. Okay, 15 minutes. That's still too long, huh? Now, let's take a look at the before and after. What do you think? I hope you like it. And I really hope that I did give justice to this dresser. I hope to see you next time, and God bless. Goodbye.